See, we are going to draw an equilateral triangle. With sides 7.5 centimeter. So for that we have to do the rough sketch first. Have you done the rough sketch? Okay man, that answer is easy, but proper things you should do. Equilateral triangle means what? All the sides are equal to 7.5. All the sides are equal. That is the equilateral triangle. Name it like ABC. No ABC measure is given. See, AB is 7.5, BC is 7.5. This is also 7.5. First we should draw the base. Done everything? Okay. Base 7.5. Mark the edges as A and B. Mark the measurement. Have you marked the measurement? Okay. Then we have to measure 7.5 centimeter on our compass. We'll keep that on the point A. We'll draw a curve. And then we'll keep that again in B. Intersect that curve. Name the point as C. And that both points has to be joined. Yes man, do it. Finish it. You have to use the compass. That is why I am instructing you. Read the question carefully. Whenever we have to construct a triangle, we should construct using a compass and a ruler. Okay. Also, there are few more subdivisions in the question. That is why I am also drawing this. Triangle. So this is only first part of the question, right? So draw an equilateral triangle with side 7.5 centimeter. Check the angles using a protractor. What should they measure? You know, this tool is called as protractor. In this middle point, right? Whenever we measure, we should keep the middle point as where we are measuring. Okay. There are two measurements. One starts with 0 from this side and it goes on up to 180 degree. The other starts with 0 on the left side and it go on with 180 degree, 10 to 180 degree on the other side. So now keep the protractor and measure how much angle is there. See, midpoint on the point A and the straight line should collide. Okay. How much it measures? 120 as well as 60 is there. What you should take? Where is the base? From base you have to calculate. Here it is the base. From base it is. From base only we have to start. So base 0 starts inside. So inside measurement you just count. It is 60 degree. How much this angle? What does your diagram measures? You measured? See man, keep the protractor of midpoint of the protractor at A and both straight line should collide. Okay. Then see from the base. 0 starts from the base. If it starts outside, you should count outside. If it starts inside, you should count inside. So it is 60 degree for me. For you it is? Yes, good. Likewise, keep the protractor in the other point as well. Again the same, the point should collide. Then where outside 0 we should see or inside 0 we should see? Yes, 0. From the base 0 starts outside, so the measure is 60 degree here as well. So this like you should measure, you should mark that angle, it is 60 degree. Have you noticed one thing? For writing and all I kept separate pencil. For compass, separate pencil. You should not write using the compass pencil. If you are writing means this sharpened edge will spoil, so the measurement will go wrong. There is a chance. Likewise, the other angle also we should measure. Keep the protractor at the point C if possible. Rotate the picture as well for your convenience and see how much that angle measures. Now here what is 0? Which is base? Where you kept the point 0, where that line collide, that is your base. That 0 starts outside, so the outside measure we should see, it is 60 degree. You got that? Okay. What do you observe in this figure? Yes, all sides are equal. And all angles are equal. Any shape satisfies these two conditions, we call that polygon as regular polygon. What is the name of such polygon? Yes. And for equilateral triangle, whatever the size you took, the angle remains same. It is 60 degree only. You take 12 centimeter also, it is 60 degree only. The 60 degree won't change. You got that? Okay, good. Now look at the next question, the fifth one. The diagram shows a 700 centimeter ladder leaning against the wall. Okay, the diagram shows a 700 centimeter ladder leaning against the wall. The foot of the ladder is 270 meter from the wall. Okay, the ladder reaches a height of 640 centimeter up the wall. Okay, and the first question is, use a ruler and compass to make an accurate scale drawing. Use a scale of 1 centimeter to 100 centimeter, which means first we will draw the rough sketch. In the question itself they given one sketch. Okay, so in that we have to take a scale that 1 centimeter as 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter to 100 centimeter. So first we will draw the rough sketch. Are you drawing the rough sketch? Draw it, man. Here 90 degree should come. In the figure they gave it is 640 centimeter. Then for each 100 we should take 1 centimeter. So it is 6.4 centimeter. We have to write the scale 1 centimeter as 100 centimeter. If you multiply that with 100, you will get 640 centimeter here. Okay. Likewise here 700 centimeter means it is 7 centimeter. And it is 270 centimeter means it is 2.7 centimeter. Okay. Also, the B subdivision, they say safety guidelines say that a ladder should make a maximum angle of 75 degree to the ground. To the ground it should make 75 degree. Use your protractor to check if this ladder is safe. That we'll check after constructing the triangle. Okay, we don't need to make sure it is 75. If so, we should make that. Okay, so we should take this base as 2.7 centimeter. So here I am going to take this 2.7 exactly from 0 to 2.7. After 5, 2 more points you should cross. So up to this it is 2. That one big line no in between, normal halfway line, that is 2.5, and the 2 lines after that it is 2.7. Okay, as usual mark that points as A and B, and this is 2.7 centimeter. And we should not draw this as 6.4 directly. You should make sure that it makes 90 degree. Okay, so for that take your protractor, keep your protractor to the point B. On the point B, keep your protractor. Now where is our base? Base 0 starts outside or inside? Yes. So from outside calculate, mark 90 degree. Just like one small marking. Done marking. Now draw a line from point B to that one. Don't worry about the measurement, we'll do that. Now take your compass, measure 6.4 centimeter, sharpened edge at 0, pencil at 6, and furthermore near to 6.5 but before that. Okay, this 6.4 centimeter. Hold your compass like this, keep that on point B and strike this. Okay, and then take a compass, mark 7 centimeter, measured. Keep that at the point A, sharpened edge, and strike 7 centimeter. See, it's coming exactly, right? You got this like one diagram? Okay. Okay. Then take your ruler, join those intersection point and the point A. You got it? Mark that point as C. What man, it looks like the Diwali flower pot, isn't it? Have you seen a Diwali flower pot? Okay, is that question ends? No, it is not. Only the first subdivision we have done. The second subdivision. Safety guidelines say that the ladder should make a minimum angle of 75 degree to the ground. We already measured, here it is 90 degree. If you put one box like this, that means it is 90 degree. Okay, so we should measure whether this other angle is 75 degree or not. This is our ground, right? So keep your protractor at point A and make the horizontal line straight. See, base 0 starts inside or outside? Yes. So measure the measurement. It's between 60, after 60 it's coming. Is it or not? So 0 starts here. Between 60 and 70 it is coming. After 60 this must be 65. Where is 75? Here only 75 is there. Now answer to the question whether this is safe or not. As per safety guidelines, should make a maximum angle of 75 degree. They say maximum 75 degree. Okay, safe. Suppose if they say minimum 75 degree means it is not safe. Okay, yes, it is safe. So that is it. Look at the next question. Each face of a four-sided dice is an equilateral triangle. Each face of the four-sided dice is an equilateral triangle. Then that is in what shape? Pyramid shape. Okay, use a ruler and compass to construct a net of the dice. So first we will draw the rough sketch of the net. After that we will draw the net. You see, as this is a pyramid, when you open the pyramid, it is like the base, and after above that, this like pyramid shapes are there. There are only 4 sides are there, right? So in each side, consider this is a square. So this side one equilateral triangle, this side one equilateral triangle, this side equilateral triangle, this side equilateral triangle. 4 equilateral triangle will surround it. Okay, and when you draw a net, like it's like opening. If you are opening it, here one equilateral triangle, here one equilateral triangle will come, like some some of like this a kind of shape. So you are getting what I am saying, right? So in the middle it will be like a square. So draw a square in the middle. Are you drawing? And in each side of the square, draw a triangle. That is it. This side means here one triangle. Here one triangle. Are you seeing? Okay. Then here on triangle, I am just taking a rough measurement of 3 centimeter man here, so that the rough sketch will look fine. Okay. Also in the diagram they mentioned that side of a square is 4 centimeter, but the triangle's measurement we don't know. What we can do? There is a clue in the question. Read that once again. That's a equilateral triangle. So this is side of the triangle as well as the square. Is it or not? So all the sides of the equilateral triangle are equal. So here also 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. And all the triangle sides is 4 centimeter. Now I am going to approach this in such a way that first I will draw this square, making sure all this things are 90 degree it is coming. Okay. After that, like here, what we done here, considering this alone as a triangle, like we done previously. Okay. So that is it. First draw a base of 4 centimeter. For 4 centimeter I have drawn a base. Better name the point as well. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H for reference. So I am going to name this as A, B, and take a protractor. Make sure it is 90 degree at point A. Mark 90 degree at point A. As well as in point B, just to make sure it is a square. And connect those two. Measure 4 centimeter on a compass. Cut this. Likewise here also measure 4 centimeter. And then you just connect these 2 points. Here also 4 centimeter, right? So keep it here. This again cuts, and then here keep it. Now both the X marks we can join. So what I got is 4 centimeter square. A, B, C and D. Now all you have to do is draw a triangle. Have you done up to this step? Okay, good. Now that is it. Keep this as base, this BC as base. I have measured 4 centimeter. I am going to make sure whether I have 4 centimeter or not. Yes, I am having a 4 centimeter. Then draw a triangle on each side. That is it. See? And this point, I'll strike once again. See, first finish that curve part, after that we'll join with the line. Yes, take it fast. What you're doing? After that, just connect every corner. That is it. So these points are A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. This is E, F, G and H. All this measures 4 centimeter. So that is the net of given dice. Finished? Have you finished, man? You are muted.